Yeah.
Crispy in bits.
On the low, on the low.
Oh, so fabulous.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Dumebi once again. If this is your first time on my channel seeing my pretty face, welcome to my channel for the first time. I hope you decide to join the big happy family by hitting the subscribe button right below the video. I think is it here or here? It's been so long I did that. I think it's here. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. That way you get notified whenever I drop new videos, and I drop videos twice every week. And if you're an oldie and a goodie, you guys know I love you. It's so good to have you guys back. So today is going to be a makeup tutorial. I'm actually filming for the Don't Rush challenge. I don't know when this video is dropping, but right now that I'm shooting, the Don't Rush challenge is like really like what's going on right now. People are getting creative with these videos thanks to the worldwide pandemic and lockdown and quarantine. So people are getting creative. So I'm actually filming for the Don't Rush challenge. I decided to just make a video and show you guys how I come about the makeup look, because I want to do one crazy cut crease. Who is it? Me. Are you feeling it? So guys, I'm so excited. okay, so I already did my brows and I primed my eyes using my Juvia's Face Concealer. This is the shade 7, and I'm thinking I'm going to be using these two palettes. This one is from Blossom Cosmetics, a Nigerian brand. Look at the colors. And this one is from Juvia's Place. This is their Warriors 2 eyeshadow palette. So I want to keep it between these two eyeshadow palettes. And yeah, this is not what I'm wearing for the challenge, but what I'm wearing is pretty much this same color, mustard yellow. Such a beautiful color on dark skin. So let's just get right into the tutorial, guys. I don't think I'm blabbing too much.
Shit, you the man, you the crease.
Crispy.
With those tight jeans and the shit. Shorty me on kiss and tell. Shorty me on kiss and tell. Why? Girl, you make my head this well. Girl, you make my head dance. Shorty kiss me on a low. On a low key. On a low, on a low, on a low. Shorty kiss me on a low. On a low.
I just want to deepen my crease area a bit. So I'm going to go in with this gray.
Shorty kiss me on a low. On a low key. On a low, on a low, on a low key. On the low key. On the low.
Just bring the gray just downwards a bit, because I'm doing a half cut crease, guys. So I'll be going back in with the same brush that I used for the brown, just to blend the harsh lines of the gray eyeshadow.
You tell me I'll hook me up later.
Bitwise.
On the mix.
So guys, I'll be going into this Afrique palette. I know I said I was going to use two palettes, but taking this shade right here.
Crispy in bits.
On the low, on the low. Whoa.
So guys, I'll be going into the Blossom Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'll be taking this yellow shade here. I really wanted a mustard yellow that could match with my outfit, but I really don't know if this will, so let me just try and see. It does. It matches.
Over. You tell me I'll hook me up later. Watch this, don't test, I'm the beast. When you run from my Jeep and I did. Why can't you trust me with secrets?
I'm going to be going in next with, and I'm using the same eyeshadow brush because I really don't care. Mostly I'm actually able to use the same eyeshadow brush because I'm transitioning from a light shade to a darker shade to a darker shade. And the next shade I'll be going in with is this orange. I just want to use this one to blend it into my outer corner contour shade. Just use this orange. It's called Anti-Gravity.
Shorty kiss me on a low.
Now to blend in all the shades at the end here. I'll just be going in with that same grade that I took from this Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's.
When I get the tears, your backside and fine face. And I like the way you working, your effort of that waste. Stacking the energy where you working, giving me remedy, waiting on something thicker.
So guys, to line my eyes, I'll be going in with my Beyond Beauty gel liner, which is my holy grail. Like, since I started using this thing, I haven't been interested in using any other thing to line my eyes. Like, super creamy, jet black, doesn't smudge. It's perfect.
Shorty kiss me on a low. Shorty kiss me on a low. Shorty kiss me on.
I'll be the one if you ask me to. Anyway, I would have followed you too. Say something, I'm giving up on you. Okay, so guys, so I'm going to be taking some green glitters to do like a kind of green glitter liner. Lord help me to be precise with this. So guys, the next thing I'll be doing is to pop on these lashes from Missmetics. This is the lash style Bailey. So I'll just be popping this on and I'll be right back. I'm done with my lashes. The eyes are basically done. I'm feeling it. So I'm going to be priming my face using my Baby Skin Primer from Maybelline. Then for my foundation, I'll be using the Juvia's Place foundation, and this is the shade Angola 140. And then for my to highlight my face, I'll be using the Juvia's concealer in the shade 7. If you watch my channel regularly, you know I don't really love to do cream contour. I have my Juvia's concealer, like the contour shade, but I really don't like to do cream contour, so I'm not even going to bother with it right now. To set my highlight, I'm going to be going to the Blossom setting powder. This is a high definition powder in the shade Nutmeg. I particularly like this one because it's a brown shade of setting powder, as you guys can see. Like I don't see myself buying a translucent powder, like something that's cream colored anymore. Like when I can use this, it's all this chocolatey goodness going on here. Oh my god, I just love being dark skinned.
Getting me on your wish list, fuck this. When I know you want the tears, it's nothing regular when you rockin' the beds. When I get the tears, your backside and fine face. And
since I didn't really do any contour, I'm going to do a reverse contour.
Remedy, waiting on something thicker. I'm walking right to the door, yeah. Shorty, wait now. Something they do you for the brain cell.
I'm gonna stick to my girl's legs. This is the only place I feel comfortable baking. I'm not really a fan of baking. I've said that so many times on this channel. So guys, I wanted to do nude lips, but no. I want to do color. I'm going to do plum glossy lips. Guys, I'm just going to be priming my lips using this lip balm. This helps your lipstick glide on. Guys, I'm going to be lining my lips using this Mabrook pencil that I use on my brows.
Yeah, on the low key, on the low key, yeah.
I'll be taking this lip gloss from Beyond Beauty. It's actually called lip oil. It's from Beyond Beauty. I only used this once when I swatched it the first time it got to me. So this is going to be my first time using it for a makeup look. Oh my god. I'll be going into this Beyond Beauty powder palette, and I'll be taking this shade right here for my highlighted areas. Then I'll use this shade over here for the rest of my face. Then for my contour, I'll be using this darkest shade here.
Yeah.
Crispy bits.
On the low, yeah. oh, 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 oh.
Am I looking like Barbie yet? I lied, oh, oh, say I no call them, say I don't block and I lie. We're using this blush from Juvia's Place. This is their Bella blush. I think this is, I actually bought, who's that? I bought this blush and forgot that I bought it. So I've remembered it today. This is a very beautiful, I don't know if this is orange or, what shade is this, please? Oh, this is such a gorgeous shade on me. Oh my god. If you're dark skinned, you need to, actually this shade will actually even work on a light skinned person. This is one of those shades that light skins, dark skins can rock and rock very well. I love blush. A lot of people say they don't like blush, but for me it just makes me feel like a doll when I apply blush. I mean, just, can you guys see the difference between this and this? How can you not like blush? So I just realized that I haven't lined my waterline, so I'm going to be using my Mabrook extremely soft eyeliner pencil. I cannot live without this pencil. If you haven't tried this pencil, you're on a long thing.
Shorty, wait now. Something they do you for the brains, eh? Shit, you the man, you the crease. With those tight jeans.
To highlight my face, I'll be taking, I usually use this one, so let me try this one today. I'll be taking this shade to glow up my face.
Kiss me on a low. On a low key, on a low, on a low. Shorty, kiss me on a low. On a low key, on a low, on a low. Shorty, kiss me on a low, low, on a low key, on a low, on a low. Shorty, kiss me on a low.
So guys, I'll be setting my face using the Kimani Glow Spray. I have to cover my eyes first of all, and I gotta glow, baby. So I'm going to change into my outfit and I'll be right back, guys.
Every time that I say come over, you tell me I'll hook me up later.
Twice on the mix.